Hey guys, what is up? So, don't mind if the camera's a little wobbly. It's on top of a box right now because I really have nowhere else to put it. But today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart the Walther p99. So what you're going to start off doing is cocking the slide back and making sure the slide lock is up. Then you're going to take the mag out and make sure it's all empty. And then I know mine's empty because I already checked it before this video. But then you're gonna push this down and kind of pull out. You're gonna take that piece out. When you first do it to your Walther p99 Airsoft, it's gonna feel like you're about to break it, and for the next couple of other times. But eventually it'll just be nice and smooth. But now you'll pull this lever down and pull that down, and then you're gonna wanna shoot it. And then boom, right as I shot it, came out. You got these pieces. You got the guy that tells you it's when it's loaded and when it's not. You got the spring to make the slide go back forward, or to make the slide go forwards. Then you got the thing that pushes in the BB. You got the rod and the spring right here. Then you got the barrel. And then you got this little guy right here. I'm making sure I take off every little part so that way like stuff doesn't fly out and you don't know what it does. So anyways, yeah, I got that. As you can see, just it's literally the slide and everything. This ain't no clickbait, nothing. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Got that right there. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do to put it back together, take the barrel, insert that right there. Then take the longer spring, take the rod, place it in there. Then you're going to want to match it up perfectly with the hole so that way the rod can stick through the hole. And here, look, this is gonna be something kind of hard. You're gonna, oh boy, I need to match it up perfectly because if not, it's not gonna go through. There we go. So basically, instead of going in through this part right, putting this part right here, you're gonna put it with the one down, because if not, it's basically it's gonna be sticking out before like the slide's even fully on. So that you don't want that. Then you're gonna take this piece right here, put it in right here, and that's like literally the whole slide part. That's literally all the pieces you need for the slide. Then you're gonna take this piece, place it right there. This right here, the guy that tells you when it's loaded or not. Boom. The spring, boom. And just so you know, there's a difference. That one's longer and skinnier. This one's chunkier. The only reason that one doesn't look long right now is because it's compressed. But that one's usually longer and skinnier. And then this guy is always going to be chunkier and shorter. So then here, oops. You're going to need to slide it on pretty good. Make sure, oh. Uh-oh. Basically, you're going to want to make sure this spring goes into the back of the slide right here. So this little part, you're going to want to make sure it goes in like that, because if not, the gun won't function correctly. So boom, boom, and here. Hold on. Then you're going to want to slide this on. And then I recommend holding it upside down, and then kind of pushing the spring up a little bit to help it get in. Then boom. Then here. Basically what you're gonna wanna do is right as it gets, uh-oh. Yeah. Having some problems. Come on, get on. There we go. So right it's on right there. You're gonna wanna push this lever back up instantly. Then you're gonna wanna cock this back. Make sure this is up. You can put back in the magazine if you want. Yeah, and then you're gonna want to put this back on. I usually use a pencil or like my thumb to wedge this on, because if not, not both of these things will go in all the time. Like if you do it more often, eventually it will. Yeah, but I mean, there you go. As you can see, my thumb was right there, and I got it on perfectly. And I'm gonna show you, you can still shoot. Boom. Easy as that. Then, boom. My spring's kind of messed up back here. It's old. I've had this gun for like a few years now. So, I just need to give it a little help. But with you guys, it shouldn't be that way. But, yeah, I'm probably going to replace the spring back here with a better one. Newer one. But, I mean, I don't know. Yeah. There you go, guys. Alright, peace out. And bye. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, that's hard. Oh boy. Boom. Boom. Done. Guys, before you leave, I do not want any of you guys making this mistake. So look, basically I'm doing it out here because it's kind of dangerous. Basically, I'm gonna take this off and pretend like I'm taking apart the gun. Pull down this lever right here and take this down, and then I'm gonna shoot it. But watch what happens if you're not careful when you shoot it. Watch what happens. Hold up. Oh, I just loaded it on accident. The lever wasn't pulled down all the way. Here. Watch what happens. You ready? I'm gonna shoot this. 3, 2, 3. Hold up. Basically, what would happen is, the thing basically goes flying forwards. Watch this. Like that. And then you'll lose all the pieces everywhere. And this part even came off. Like, everything literally just came off. So, that's why you need to, like, be careful. Like, hold the slide as you're about to do that. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Peace out. Last part, and bye.